Hi, welcome to the Peaceful Home. Today I've got a Christmas thrift haul for you. It's a bit of a random video showing you the things that I got that enable me to stay in my budget for decorating for Christmas, as well as the current state of my home, which is a bit chaotic, and I'm going to explain why and tell you about a very exciting thing that's coming up. If you're new here, welcome. I'm TeresaElling. I'm a professional organizer, parenting coach, wife and homeschool mom to 6 graduated kids, and we cover all things home and family on this channel. I'm going to dive right in with my thrift haul. Now, I purchased almost all of this over the past year. Often I can take my small thrifting budget and purchase things for Christmas that don't even affect my Christmas budget. I'll start with the biggest thing first. This beautiful arrangement. It's got some beautiful gold tip leaves, gold berries, and gold artichokes, which I just found so unusual and fascinating. And each one has a votive inside for a candle. It was $25, but I got it at a 75% off sale at a thrift boutique. I've been on the hunt for more winterscapes, artwork that I could display up on these shelves, and I came across a couple of things. First of all, this beautiful stag painting, and he's actually going to be used in another project, but for this Christmas, I'm going to put him on the shelf. At least I think I will. Then I got this one, another Currier and Ives prints. I absolutely love these. They're just so beautiful and really timeless in my opinion. And then I went to a little estate sale. It was kind of a yard sale, and I found these 2 winterscapes, and they're just beautiful. I can't wait to put these guys up. Next, I'm going to move on to the copper that I found. Here's a copper kettle, and it's got the little spout lid. So cute. This was $3.99. And I also got this one, very unusual with the lion head on the handles. And this one is beautiful. I decided that I wanted to try polishing. So I looked up on Pinterest to get some ideas. I knew that you could use ketchup, vinegar, lemon, anything acidic. I tried the lemon juice and salt, and this little pot that originally looked like this now looks like this. And I actually decided I like the patina of the worn copper a little bit better. And so I'm not going to polish these other pieces. You can see the difference when I started polishing the bottom of this one, and then I just decided to go ahead and leave it. I added a rolling pin to my collection, which is just going to be in a display for Christmas baking. Some really small decorations, just these little tiny ones that were from the Target dollar spot last year for $5, and I got them for $2. And then I only paid $1 for these jingle bells, and I'm probably going to give them a quick spray paint with a little bit of a toned down gold so they're not quite so shiny. Going along with the brass look, I picked up several brass candlesticks. Most of these I got for $1. One of them was $2, and 2 of them were $4 each, which I was happy to pay because I think it made my average about $2 each. These are all vintage or antique, and they are just beautiful. This one is amazing. And at that same little estate sale where I got the photos, I picked up 2 boxes of green tapers. And these were $1.50 a box, and they can be rather expensive. So I was thrilled with this buy, and it just inspired me that I was going to use these in the brass candlesticks on my mantle. Now my plan is just to do 2 Christmas videos this year. The first one will be a simple home tour after I finish decorating. And then I'm hoping to do a video showing you my famous eggnog recipe. This is probably the staple for Christmas in our home. And these are glasses that I found. I think they are gorgeous. It must have been a set of 12, and one got broken because I purchased 11, and they were $1 each. And these are the perfect size for eggnog. Eggnog is very rich, and the eggnog that I make is not like what you taste in the stores. It's very different, and I haven't met anyone yet that didn't like it. So stay tuned for that video. I found this cake stand for $4. Really pretty scalloped edge. It's got some trees etched on the top. beautiful. I'm always on the lookout for real silver. I found these little knives, which are so great for putting in cream cheese or maybe a cheese ball with vegetables and crackers. And these are beautiful. They have engraved handles. And I did do a video that I already have finished on how to polish silver. That one might go up in the next couple of weeks since it's finished and ready to go. The last thing is this beautiful tablecloth. It's done in a green cross stitch. Absolutely beautiful. I was thinking that I would make a pillow out of it actually, but for this Christmas, I will probably use it as a tablecloth. So that's it for my haul. I wanted to let you in on a little bit of what's going on with me. I'm going to show you what my house looks like right now. Now, I have been working really hard and I haven't been cleaning up after myself, which is why it's even worse than normal. But I've got several projects going on. My daughter is getting married in 1 week. And obviously that is just a crazy and exciting and wonderful time, but we are busy getting decor ready. I've been baking cakes, finalizing plans at the venue, and preparing for all 6 of my children to be home. I posted on social media a couple weeks ago that I've just slowed down a bit, and Thanksgiving week I did not post a video. If you don't follow me on social media, check out the description box and feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram. I just explained that the priority is my family, and right now with everything that's going on, that means I have to pull back just a little bit on YouTube, get us through the end of the year, and then I'm excited for what's coming in the new year. New parenting videos, new cleaning systems, and ways to declutter your home and build routines into your life. The other thing that's happened for my husband and me personally is that we are finally empty nesters. Now that includes not only our home, but the guest house on our property, which has had 2 of our daughters and their husbands living in there at 2 different times. I do have a link of when Joanna lived there, and it's one of my most popular videos. If you want to check that out, I will put it below. Our plan was to rent it out, but what we've decided is to make it a vacation rental. And so that means I need to furnish and decorate the entire place. I was walking through Walmart the other day and I thought, I need measuring cups and knives and measuring spoons and a rug in front of the sink. There are just so many things you don't think about in terms of furnishing an entire home from scratch. I'm going to run over there right now and give you a peek at what it looks like so you can see the before. Our plan is to have it up and running in January. So this is our little guest house. It's about 700 square feet. And you walk right into this little dining area and kitchen, and everything's been stripped down. We've been patching holes and getting ready to touch up paint. And there is a tiny room here that really can serve as a very small bedroom or a closet and restroom. I've been thrifting like crazy and bringing things in here, and I plan on decorating on a budget and showing you how it can be done. I'm really excited about this project. It is a little daunting, but I think it's going to be awesome. I hope you will join me for more videos to see how this place turns out. So in the midst of all of this chaos, my highest priorities are to spend time with the Lord every day. I will not survive, I will not make it without His presence in my life. And what better time than December to be focusing on Him and allowing Him to speak to me and align my priorities. And then of course, the focus on family, and with the wedding coming and then kids coming home for Christmas, there's a lot going on. I really encourage you, stick to your budget. In fact, I've got another video, I will post it. It's just ways to organize and prepare for Christmas so that you're not so stressed. If you have a lot going on, choose your absolute favorite, most important things. For us, that's having eggnog, having the family together, and a couple of gifts for each of our children, and just being together, and that will be enough. I invite you to like this video and subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for joining me today on The Peaceful Home, and if I don't see you soon, Merry Christmas.